In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious cornflake bars. For this recipe, you're going to need 6 cups of cornflakes, 1 cup of crunchy peanut butter, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1 cup of sugar. First thing you're going to do is play with your food and crunch all those cornflakes up. Next thing you're going to do is combine the sugar and corn syrup in a saucepan, cook on medium heat, and stir constantly. You're going to have to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring constantly like this until it starts to boil. When it starts to boil, add the peanut butter in and stir it until smooth. Now add the peanut butter mixture in with the cornflakes and mix together until it's combined thoroughly. Line a baking dish with aluminum foil and then spray the foil with nonstick cooking spray, and then spread the mixture evenly in the dish. Let it sit for 20 minutes and then remove from the dish and cut into bars. These bars will definitely satisfy your sweet tooth. If you do try to make them, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.